So hello guys, how are you doing? How is your fasting? Ramadan Mubarak, by the way. So this is a very fast video. This is a trade breakdown of a trade that I made a lot of money on, which is a 1 to 12 free to roll trade, which I made actually $1,200 on the trade. So let's get right into the analysis. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It will pop up somewhere. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and turn on the bell notification. So let's get right into the analysis. As you can see from the higher time frame, this pair has been bearish. As you can see, this pair has been bearish. After I saw that the pair was bearish, I went to the 1 hour. As usual, I do my analysis of the 1 hour. I went to the 1 hour. I look at the structure. Let me first delete all this for you guys. Let me delete all this for you guys so you can get the right idea of the trade. So as you can see, this pair has been bullish, making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Let me be fast with it. As you can see, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Always when you are trading, look at the structure. As you can see, always when you are trading, look at the structure. As you can see here, I was looking for a buy right here, which I couldn't cut because the market didn't retrace all the way to the lower time frame point of interest, but it broke structure again and come mitigated this area without me finding an entry. And again, I was looking for an entry right here, but the market didn't give me a lower time frame confirmation again, and it ended up selling, changing the character from the bullish market structure to a bearish market structure. So after I saw that, I was looking at the structure very carefully, making break of structures. As you can see, break of structure right here, making a break of structure. As you can see, this was the break of structure that I was actually looking at. So after the market made this low, I made this high. As you can see, this high right here, then the market come and broke structure, making this new low that has all types of liquidity with it. As you can see, it has all the types of liquidity with it, which is trailer liquidity right here, which is trailer liquidity. And this is the break of structure. As you can see, this is the break of structure. So after we get the break of structure, and we know that we have already shifted the structure because we didn't get a lower time frame confirmation from this area. I didn't get any lower time frame confirmation of this area because this area didn't hold. As you can see up there, we have a high, low, a high, mitigation, high, low, a high. We didn't get mitigated, high, low, a high. We didn't get mitigated, but I was actually knowing that we didn't get mitigated. I was actually looking to long from here to these areas of demand right here, but the market didn't come to it because the sellers, they was in so much control on this market. So as a smart trader, you always follow the trend. Don't go against the trend. Never go against the trend. The trend is your friend. So let me delete these cycles. As you can see right here, as you can see, after the market made that expansion to the downside, after the market expanded to the downside, breaking the structure. As you can see, after the market broke structure and after the market made expansion to the downside, breaking structure, we are looking for areas of demand. So areas of demand is only valid that which it has a fair value gap. As you can see right here, we have two areas of demand. We have this area of demand, and we also have this area of demand. But which one are we going to take? Do we have any liquidity that the market will take for us to look for a buy? No, because we have this area right here. As you can see, this area is our level of demand, because you can take this as a high low break of structure, and you can take this as our inducement. You can take this as our inducement. Since the break structure, we have a decisional zone and we have an extreme zone. This was a decisional zone. If you get a reaction from, you can sell, but as far as I know, this area is a level of inducement that the market will come and take. As you can see, the market didn't give any lower time frame confirmation from this area. That's why I say always have a lower time frame confirmation entry, because you will not know which area of demand will hold. As you can see, we didn't get a lower time frame confirmation from this area, but when the market reached this area, it also didn't give a lower time frame confirmation again. As you can see, it has operated it, doing what? Taking this liquidity, taking this swing high, taking all the swing high right here. As you can see, taking it. After it took this liquidity, didn't respect the demand, didn't respect the supply, with the understanding of the order flow, and we are bearish on this market. What did I do? After the market has grabbed liquidity, I will put the 30 tab of entry somewhere on the screen so you can see and get a better understanding of this entry, type of entry. After the market grabbed the liquidity, I went to the 5 minute looking for a market structure shift and change a liquidity grab and a market structure shift. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, after the liquidity grab, this is the candle that grabbed the liquidity from the higher time frame that disrespected our area. This is the candle that grabbed the liquidity. So we need to see a shift in structure. We have to see. So we have a breakout structure right here, and we are looking for a shift in structure somewhere. So the market made a high, low, high, couldn't break this high, low, shifting our structure right here. As you can see, shifting our structure right here. After the shifting structure, what did I do? I take my Fibonacci tool from the high of the movement, which is this high, this is from the high of the movement, from here to here, from here to here. As you can see, from here to here. So let's take my Fibonacci tool, since I'm looking for a lower time frame confirmation. Let's see if the Fibonacci tool align with either a fair value gap or an order block, so that I can take my entry from. So as you can see, the 61.8 level aligned with this fair value gap, and the 71.6 aligned perfectly. By perfectly, I mean aligned perfectly from this area, aligned perfectly with this level of demand, with this level of supply, aligned with it perfectly. So after we got our point of interest, we get mitigated right I got mitigated right around here. With my stop loss at the high, targeting the draw liquidity below. So where was my target? After, as you can see, if you are looking at the structure carefully before reaching this area, before reaching this level, as you can see, we have a high, low. Let me take it. We have a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, changing the character. As you can see, we got the change of character right here. After we got the change of character, we got a level of demand that we can actually sell the market from. So as you can see, we have this level of demand, and with this level of demand also we have some type of liquidity, we have some type of inducement right here. So this area is where we look for a lower time frame entry to take the market to the upside, if you get it, that is, because the way this market is approaching this level of supply, I don't think it will hold no more. I can still hold the trade, but I've already closed it. So we can target this area of demand, for a 1 to 12 risk to reward, as you can see, which we got absolutely taken out of, with a total of $1,200 trade in actually I don't know how many days. Let me see how many days it took for us to hit TP. It took 3 days and 8 hours, 3 days and a half, 3 days and a quarter, 3 days and a half, whatever I want to call it. It took this trade took us 3 days to actually hit TP. So this is the full analysis. I hope you like the content, you like the educational system. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And we have a Telegram group. We have the broker that I used to trade the synthetic entities will be down below in the description. My Telegram group will be down in the description. The broker that I use or the exchanger that I use with trading crypto also will be down on the description. So everything will be down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And love, peace, signing out.